Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss the discharge requirements to be complied under MARPOL Annex 5. So sit back, relax, listen. Enjoy watching. Let's go! MARPOL Annex 5, also known as the Regulations for the Prevention of Pollution by Garbage from Ships. Discharge requirements outside the special areas for ships operating outside designated special areas. MARPOL Annex 5 allows for the discharge of certain types of garbage under specific conditions: food waste, comminuted or ground waste, can be discharged at least 3 nautical miles from the nearest land. Non-comminuted food waste can be discharged at least 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. Cargo residues. Cargo residues that cannot be discovered using standard unloading methods can be discharged at least 12 nautical miles from the nearest land, provided that are not classified as harmful to the marine environment. Animal carcasses must be disposed of far from the land if possible and must be split or treated to ensure they sink immediately upon discharge. Cleaning agents and additives. Cleaning agents or additives contain a deck and external surfaces. Washing water can be discharged, but only if they are harmful to the marine environment. Discharge requirements within special areas. Food waste. Only comminuted or ground for food waste can be discharged only at least 12 nautical miles from the nearest land or the nearest ice shelf. Discharge must be made as far as practicable from the nearest land, but not less than 12 nautical miles. Garbage prevention. Ships entering the Arctic must have sufficient capacity on board to retain garbage prohibited for discharge while operating in the sea. They must also have arrangement to discharge such garbage or reception facilities. Garbage management plans and record keeping. Placards. Every ship of 12 meters or more in length overall must display placards notifying the crew and passengers in the discharge requirements of Annex. Garbage management plan. This plan outlines procedure for minimizing, collecting, storing, processing, and disposing of garbage, including the use of onboard equipment. The plan must be within the working language of the crew. Garbage record book. This book records each discharge operation to sea or the reception facility or completed incineration, including the date, time, position, and the ship description of the garbage, and the estimated amount discharged or incinerated. The record book must be kept on board the ship and preserved for a period of 2 years after the last entry is made. MARPOL Annex 5 plays a crucial role in protecting the marine environment by regulating the discharge of garbage from ships. The Annex established a general prohibition on the discharge of garbage into the sea, with specific exceptions for safety and emergencies.